Professional. With 0% overlap blades, the trimmer is used to create precise, even lines, dry shaving, and sharp edges. It trims hair, beards, mustaches, and sideburns. Material. The headliner clip blade is composed of strong carbon steel which helps in adjusting for the ideal cutting length. The blades are heat as well as rust resistant. Bump-free. Dry trimming, 0 overlaps, and an incredibly close, pain-free shave are all benefits of carbon-finished blades. A strong clipper and trimmer serve as the foundation of the 27-piece complete home haircutting kit. Durable. Blades maintain long-term sharpness without yanking hair because they are strong and keep sharp longer than other blades. The trimmer won't injure you as you use it. In the kit, the combination package comes with 4 trimmer attachment combs in the sizes 1/16, 1/8, 1/4, and 3/8 as well as 12 clipper attachment combs in the sizes 0 to 8, left taper and right taper. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. I just used these for the first time. Initial review is the seam high quality, cut easy, and don't get caught or snag hairs. I use these to keep my hair short so I don't use the guard. The clippers don't cut as close as I would like, so I use the T-clippers. They cut nice AMD close but does cause a little redness. That went away after a few minutes. Overall for the price it's a great set and would recommend.